Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my monthly favorites video time and I am lounging in my new robe. So I actually just filmed this look. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put that somewhere. So I recently just came back from our trip. I have a lot of things to talk about for my monthly favorites, but of course, not everything is my favorite, so I'm just gonna narrow it down to some pretty good goodies. So first, I do want to talk about my new robe here. This is a beautiful long sleeve, I would say like a champagne-ish color with some black trimming detailing. Ooh, I'm showing some skin, sorry. This robe was purchased from ZARA Home. I actually don't remember what location. I want to say maybe Barcelona, but it also could be in Amsterdam. I'm not too sure. Side note, I would say London was probably the most expensive place to shop out of the 3 locations we've been to. So the first location was Paris, Barcelona, London, and then Amsterdam. So it was either Barcelona or Amsterdam where I purchased this. But this is so cute. I have a few silk robes at home. I just love a full body, full length, is that what you call it? A full length robe. It's just very comfortable to lounge in at home. It's summertime here, so it's not too thick, but I just love the feel of it. It's just so nice, especially just coming right out of the shower and you're just trying to decide what to wear. Or you could just wear this all day. So I do have a mixture of things from here and also from my trip. So the first brand I'm going to jump into is from a small boutique in Amsterdam. I purchased some beautiful handmade bracelets that are adjustable and I will show you in just a second. This brand is called PIMPSNADPEARLS. Pimps and Pearls. Get it? Amsterdam, Pimps, Pearls. Okay, bad joke. If you guys know me, I love thin type of dainty type of, can I say type any more times? Okay. If you guys know me, I love jewelry pieces are very simple, very dainty, like my tattoos, my jewelry, just very simple and thin. These are really pretty because I can stack them on my arms. When looking for bracelets, I typically look for things that are adjustable just because everyone's wrists are different shapes and sizes. So where you see the braided center part, you're just gonna hold one little edge of the knot and pull it. Repeat the other side until it's to your desired size. I bought about $100 worth of these just because I'm not sure when I'm gonna go back there. They're just really pretty. I got these in different shapes, different sizes. I felt like I can layer them. They're just really pretty. I can wear them with my iWatch or alone. It's just so nice. And you guys know I love my oranges and browns, so I definitely bought those just because it's just very unique and different. In my Europe haul video, I did use a product to carve my brows, which is a concealer, and I talked about how my eyes are like really dry around here, and it had to be from the last day on our trip. In Amsterdam, which was our last destination, we decided to go on a canal cruise. I wore a strapless top just because if I were to get some sun, I would rather it to be more even looking than have straps. And of course it had to be like 90 plus degrees. I'm not too sure. It was pretty warm. Maybe it was like 85, 90, I don't know. But the sun was blazing. So with that said, I guess when I came home, I noticed like my face around here was really dry, especially around the eyes because the sun hits up here first. I was wearing sunscreen and everything and properly hydrating at every night and washing my face. It just was so crepey and dried. Of course, I just had to let it just chill and just hydrate as much as I can just to help with the dryness. So after my skin had completely healed and it wasn't as dried, the last 2 applications of using this moisturizer, I noticed how smooth my skin was when applying this on. My makeup application has been really nice around the eyes. So now that my skin has been back to normal, I've been using this moisturizer. This is the Me Plus Ceramides Moisturizer with amino acids. This is an amazing moisturizer. I wish I had bought a larger size of this. I would say it's kind of like a mixture of a gel base with a hint of a thickness of a cream in this, so it's not too heavy, but it's not too gel drying for drier skin types, if that makes sense. This works really nicely. It pairs nicely with my makeup. As I said, I just been loving this and I wish I bought this in a bigger size. This doesn't have any sunscreen, which is great because I can always add to it. But overall, this is a really nice moisturizer. So in addition to my dry face, my body has been dry. So out of the shower, I normally use like a body cream or a body lotion all over my body. And yeah, I've been lazy, so I haven't been doing that. I've actually been using body oil kind of things on my body, obviously because it's dry. I've been using this lemongrass coconut body oil with almond. This is so nice because it smells good. It's super lightweight where it's pretty thin and airy and it's not greasy. I've been using this on my porous areas, which is like my elbows, my knees, a little bit on my shoulder because from the sun and my décolleté. I can mix this with my creams and lotions. You can use this alone, it's so nice. And again, we've been doing a lot of walking, so I've been saturating this under my heels a little bit more. This just has a really nice spa aroma scent to it and it's really refreshing. Alligator clip. I think that's what they call them, hair clips. I mean, they're just hair clips. I love using these because they're very strong. They can section a large section, a small. I can use it as a regular butterfly clip. These are great for myself. They're great for clients. I have these in pink. They're the same brands. I can't remember the name on the top of my head, but I'll put that down in the info box for you. You guys know I'm a Chi Farouk brand products gal. Been loving Chi since day one. It's been a very long time. So they came out with a Barbie collaboration. This is the same Iron Guard smell formulation. It's just a collaboration with Barbie where it says Chi X Barbie and it does have a little Barbie icon here. And the bottle is pink. I had no idea that Zara made makeup or had a beauty section. So when we were in Barcelona, we were shopping at Zara. I noticed they had a beauty section all the way in the back. So of course I got myself a few lipsticks. And this is actually a liquid lipstick. I love the package of it. It's pretty unique. I love how the package has like a slanted kind of look to it. Kind of reminds me of like the Leaning Tower, I want to say. So if you put it on a flat surface, it has like a slant. Ooh! This has to be one of my favorite colors. I do have a lot of these color themes in my lipsticks, but I'm so happy that I got this because it's such a beautiful, your lips but better type of color. It's definitely more warm than what I'm wearing right now, but I just love the formulation. I love the color payoff. This color here is Buttercup. You guys know me, I'm pretty extreme with my colors. It's like black or white. I love my pastels, really white base type of colors, but then I also like my bricky browns. So I bought a whole bunch of these, of course, mostly in the pastels. This is probably like the only bricky color because they didn't have like darker selections. If I saw like a really deep black, brown, black, red type of color, I probably would have bought more, but I saw that they have more of these like brighter pastel colors, so I got them. These sizes are really cute and small. I feel like these are like a perfect size for me to finish the whole bottle because a lot of times I don't. Another thing is that I love about these polishes are the wands. The brush kind of fan out. They remind me of the SC brushes. So basically they're tapered, but they kind of round out, which is really nice because when applying it on, when you're applying onto the top, it's nice and round. And then as you brush down, it just kind of fans out to the nail. When I do my own nails, to achieve like this really opaque type of look, I tend to do 3 thick coats. I mean, that's just me. I had a little air bubble here, so I was messing with it like this and it totally popped, so I just didn't have time to fix it. But for a drugstore brand, price points, color payoff, and actually size, this is perfect. These are vegan, cruelty-free, and the brand is ETOS, which was purchased in Amsterdam. Last but not least, I bought a pair of shoes. I normally don't. I saw this pair of shoes. It reminded me of my childhood. I got myself another pair. Well, I mean, my first pair as a high schooler. So when I was in high school, I bought myself a pair of Air Force Ones. It was so expensive. It was a popular shoe everyone wanted, and it was just like a white pair of sneakers. So I saw this. This is the Air Force Ones too, but they're, I believe, the shadows. So I felt like this month was a pretty good favorites, guys. I bought unique things. There was maybe some comfortable shades of like nail lacquers that I repurchased, but also in a different brand. But I felt like this was a great combination with some beauty stuff and some apparel. If you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to check my vlog channel here as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!